Now, what's coming next? Okay, so there's so much, and I am gonna offer everyone to kind of provide an update, but one that I want to update in particular is around Linux, and I want to just give everyone an update about the hardened repository ISO. So the VHR, the Veeam hardened repository. Very soon we will have it's already in private beta, and I'm going to put it on the community hub. So community.veeam.com. I'll have it as a sticky at the top. I had it up there almost all of last year, the first release of it. We took it down as we're making the next release. I will put it back up there. It'll probably be on the forums and the product downloads as well. A lot of anticipation from that. Every day I seem to get a message. Hey, where did it go? We did take the other one down, but we're very soon to this. We previewed that at VeeamON. It's going to be built on Rocky Linux. You're going to like it, so stay tuned for that. And then, I don't know, Emily, you want to give us the latest on looking forward about Veeam backup and replication on Linux, which we previewed at VeeamON?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's probably one of the other highly anticipated asks that we've gotten is when can we have Veeam deployed on Linux? So we just saw a preview of that while we were all at our Tech Expo in Prague this year. So product management was able to show us what this is going to look like, as well as even gave us a sneak peek of the new console, which I'm sure is going to have everybody really excited to see that. So absolutely. I mean, things are running forward with the Linux love when it comes to being here at Veeam. The other piece in here, right, is the Microsoft Entra ID. So getting additional support for that. I know, Rick, you showcased that during the keynote. I know a lot of users are excited and are anticipating that release. So that's going to be coming up here very shortly within the next cycle.
Yeah, Entra ID, it's reasonable to expect that in the next dot release of Veeam Data Platform, specifically inside of Veeam Backup and Replication, as I've shown. In internal private beta now, it's going great. I'm using it, learning something new. Kirsten, anything kind of coming forward that you want to highlight or talk about?
I just want to say, the Linux, being able to deploy VBR on Linux is really going to be a great feature. And then adding additional capabilities for Microsoft Hyper-V and Nutanix, giving you that freedom of choice, like we talked about earlier today, making sure that we're providing you those data protection capabilities for those workloads. And then, with VeeamON, you can expect that we'll be able to support those and provide you with monitoring and analytics capabilities there as well. So really excited for what's coming next and what we have on out today.
Yeah, there's a lot on the truck and a lot in the pipeline. The next release, it's also reasonable to expect that we're going to have full Windows Server 2025 support. Now, this is something that is just normal at Veeam, always support the platforms. But when I say full Windows Server 2025 support, that includes installing Veeam on Windows Server 25. It includes the Windows agent backing up. It also includes as a guest on 6 hypervisors. It also includes replication for Hyper-V and Hyper-V support, right? So when you think about full support, it's quite broad when we go about that. We treat that very important. And Anton and his team put a lot of work into that. Platform support is a big deal here at Veeam. And then enhancements for both Hyper-V and Nutanix, because this release of Hyper-V will have, a revival of some new capabilities. I think some market trends have made Microsoft prioritize some of the Hyper-V stuff. So really excited for that. We'll have a launch. We'll have some information, but that's coming reasonable to expect later in this year. The Veeam Backup and Replication on Linux, just to clarify that one, that's further out, but we did preview it. It is a directional statement that we are going to have the Veeam server on Linux. The web console will be a great addition as well. Wow, a lot of stuff here. I'm so excited. There's so much to talk about. Never enough time, but this is what we have for you today.